Welcome to Hipa Tutorials. We're excited to share some big news. Hipa Webflow App is now officially live on Webflow's marketplace. If you run your blog on Webflow with just a few clicks, you can now connect it with Hipa and automatically update your blog posts. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Hipa Webflow app and connect it to your blog so you can unlock powerful options to update your content. Let's get started. First, go to wbflow.com and log in to your Webflow account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From your dashboard, navigate to the Marketplace. Click on the Marketplace option in the main menu, then choose Apps from the drop-down list. This is where you'll find all the powerful tools available for your Webflow site. Use the search bar to type in Hipa.ai. Click on the Hipa Webflow app to open its details page. Here, you can see a description of the app, key features, screenshots, and other information about it. Click the Install App button. You'll be redirected to an authorization screen. In My Workspace section, choose the blog you'd like to connect with Hipa and authorize the integration by clicking Authorize App. After that, you'll be automatically redirected to Hipa, which confirms the successful connection. At this point, Hipa already has access to your Webflow blog structure, so on the Content Plan page, you will see your blog posts. Alternatively, you can set up the integration directly from your Hipa account. To do that, go to Hipa.ai and choose Settings from the menu. On the Settings page, navigate to the Integrations tab and click Create New Integration. Choose Webflow from the drop-down list and click Connect. You'll be redirected to the same authorization screen. In the My Workspace section, choose the blog you'd like to connect with Hipa and click Authorize App. You'll see a success status on the integration page. Once it's done, Hipa gains access to your blog structure. Just go to the Content Plan page and you'll see your blog posts there. Now is the time to choose any of your posts to generate unique content ideas. This process takes a few seconds, typically around 15 to 20 seconds, so we'll need to wait a bit. You can generate changes using various AI models, such as different versions of ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, or DeepSeek. Just select the model you prefer, and Hipa will generate changes. For each suggested change, Hipa provides clear explanations about why the update is needed and how this new block of text improves your article. Without integration, you would only have the option to manually copy the generated text and paste it into your article. But with the integration, you have two additional options. Publish the change immediately or schedule the publication for a specific date and time. Let's publish it right now to see immediate results. As we can see, the content is published, and you can review your article to check out the new block of text. There you have it. It's already live without you lifting a finger. Now it's time to get back to your content plan and choose the next post to update. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates and guides from Hipa. See you next time.